So in this video, I'm going to just show you quickly how to do some blending with your fish. I'm going to do cold colours. I'm just going to organise my purples, my greens and blues together. And then I've got a bit of black and a bit of grey. You might need to share your pencils with somebody next to you or on your table. And we're going to start with our lightest colours first. What I want to point out is one thing is how students will often just be quite lazy and colour this whole section in one colour at the top. And what we want to see is every bit of pattern blended with different colours in. Okay, I am going to be pressing heavy on the edge of the shape. Let's just quickly sharpen that. It's just broke. But I want us to be pressing nice and heavy on the edge of that and then blending through, pressing slowly and lighter. Okay, so colouring all this in one colour is not going to get you a high grade. You then take a second colour and we can start to then make patterns with our colours. I do about half, and then where it meets in the middle, very gently fade that through with a light pressure or soft circular motions. And you can then start to make patterns, showing your understanding of the pattern work from half turn one and linking that back. And that's going to look really nice. I would say to yourself that if it's a black line, that's a wall and you can't go over that. And then doing that in there. And then in this section, I might pick different colour scheme. So I might do grey into purple to show a different pattern coming through. So go about halfway and about there. Okay, because what we don't want is anyone to have to start again. Might go in with some dark green, so it's a different colour with a bit of blue. Treat each piece as an individual colour. If you're not happy with your blend, very soft circular motions, secret circles that you can't see. Okay. On larger shapes, you can blend lots of colours in. So if I press heavy with this light blue and then slowly press lighter, fading that through, that's colour tone with one colour in this area. Get to about halfway, press heavy at the top again, and then start to fade that in and down through that shape. That'll get you about the grade one. Once you've mastered blending colour with one colour tone with one colour, you can then start to add, like I was up here, a second colour in. But again, it needs to be smooth, and you're going to put that on the darker area and slowly fade that up. Remember to lean on something. It can be your folder or some work from inside your folder to get a nice smooth tone. And fade those down. I could even go in with a third colour to stretch and challenge myself if that two colour blend is nice and smooth. Don't attempt three colours if your two colours isn't smooth. Mastered fading the two smooth together first. And you can see that this side is now much richer than this side.